Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Transporter 4-berth all-seasons leisure camper van. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The van also comes with a DSG Automatic gearbox and comes finished in the very lovely Ravenna blue metallic paint colour. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, this van comes with LED headlamps along with an LVR body kit, including a front splitter finished in a high gloss black. Along the side, the van sits on the 20-inch alloys finished in a satin gold colour. On either side, this van sports some side styling bars finished in a lovely black colour, and dotted along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors working with the front ones, allowing you to make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Taking a look at the interior from the single sliding door, this van's rear bench comes in the pearl white leather with some black contrast stitching. Inside the vehicle there is also some excellent creature comforts, such as this wireless phone charger. Above this are two 3-pin power outlets, along with an LCD touchscreen useful for controlling the lights and monitoring a few different things such as water and battery percentages. The van comes with some excellent amenities such as this twin hob burner, along with a stainless steel sink which has a deeper bottom than most, along with a chopping board built in. Included in this is a grill and cooker located underneath the hob burners, as well as some excellent storage options with some push drawers, 2 of them located underneath, useful for storing a variety of different things. When everything's packed away, the rear bench folds into a comfortable sleeping position for all age groups. Up front in the cab is some more of that lovely pearl white leather, finished with some black contrast stitching. Along with this, there is some excellent leg space for the front passenger as well as the driver. There are also some creature comforts such as 12-volt and USB-C outlets, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum 1-year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or call us on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.